street light buzzing. 2:51 a.m. At the far end of the lot, where nobody ever chooses to stop. Rows of empty spaces stretching beneath pale orange lights, like the city forgot this corner existed. The supermarket closed an hour ago, its signs still glowing above locked doors, advertising products to nobody. A shopping cart stood alone near the curb, turned sideways by the wind. Looking abandoned, looking familiar, I walk between faded parking lines, listening to my footsteps bounce across asphalt, every sound returning slower than it left, like the night was thinking before answering. Parking lot, cold glow, where the lost echoes go. Keep moving through the night, under fading light. Parking lot, still awake, every choice we make. Keep walking through the dark, holding on to a spark. A security vehicle rolled past without stopping, headlights sweeping across empty cars, then disappearing behind the building. The silence returned immediately, as if it had been waiting nearby. A receipt drifted across the pavement, caught in circles by the wind, never reaching the exit, never staying still. I watched it longer than I should have, because sometimes motion is enough to become a story. The air smelled like rain, even though the storm never arrived. As clouds gathering somewhere beyond the city, making promises they wouldn't keep. Parking lot, cold glow, where the lost echoes go. Keep moving through the night, under fading light. Parking lot, still awake, every choice we make. Keep walking through the dark, holding on to a spark. The edge of the lot, a chain link fence separated concrete from open fields. Beyond it, nothing but darkness and distant highway lights. Tiny lines of movement crossing the horizon. People going places, people leaving places. The same thing from different angles. I leaned against the fence for a minute, watching the city breathe from a distance. Not loud, not dramatic, just steady, like an engine that never fully shuts down. Then I turn back toward my car, the parking lot still echoing behind me, still holding every sound a little longer than necessary. Parking lot still remains, through the weather, through the rain. Keep moving through the strain, do it all again. Parking lot, empty space, time written on its face. Keep rolling through the dark, holding on to a spark. Parking lot, one last view, nothing here but me and you. Keep going, don't explain, the echoes stay. Engine starts softly, echoes fade into the night. Departure board flickering. 4:47 a.m. crowded outside. Aircraft lights move slowly across wet pavement. Tiny stars trapped on the ground. A cleaning crew cross the terminal, pushing machines louder than conversation. Their reflections lighting the cross polished floors. The departure board updated every few seconds. Cities appearing, cities disappearing. Lives rearranging themselves through algorithms and schedules. At 7th Gate 21, holding a boarding pass that felt more like a question than an answer. Airport gate, cold glow, where the restless always go. Keep moving through the night toward another light. Airport gate, silent hall, watching shadows cross the wall. Keep walking through the dark, holding on to a spark. A pilot walked past carrying a black suitcase, focused on something beyond this terminal, beyond this country, beyond this morning. A family slept across connected chairs, using backpacks as pillows, trying to turn waiting into rest. The coffee shop opened its shutters halfway, machines warming up before people did. The smell of espresso spread through the terminal, replacing the scent. The floor cleaner and recycled air. For a moment, the airport felt less like infrastructure and more like a collection of unfinished stories. Airport gate, cold glow, where the restless always go. Keep moving through the night toward another light. Airport gate, silent hall, watching shadows cross the wall. Keep walking through the dark, holding on to a spark. The first boarding announcement echoed across the ceiling, soft, calm, almost detached. People stood up automatically, checking pockets, checking passports, checking realities outside. The sky slowly turned from black to blue, aircraft wings catching the first light of day. One plane pushed back from the gate, then another. The entire airport beginning to move at once, like a giant machine waking from sleep. And everybody inside becoming part of the mechanism. Airport gate, morning comes under artificial suns. Keep moving through the gray, find another way. Airport gate, runway shine between departure and time. Keep rolling through the strain, don't stay the same. Airport gate, one last call before the rise and fall. Keep going, don't explain. The world turns again. Boarding doors opening, another destination begins. Static in the air. The city loses focus. There's a moment when every signal in the city starts to feel uncertain. Street lights flicker like they're forgetting the job. Phones struggle to connect to anything that matters. Even footsteps sound delayed like reality is buffering. I stood at the edge of an intersection watching everything hesitate. Cars pause longer than usual. People looked up more than they looked forward. A billboard froze mid-animation, and for a second the city didn't know what to do with itself. It didn't stop, it just forgot its rhythm. When the signal breaks, nothing shakes, but everything still aches. Keep moving through the night, under fading light. When the signal breaks, no sound, just lost frequency all around. Keep walking through the dark, 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 holding on to a spark. A train entered the station, but its announcement came too late. Doors open before the sound arrived, like time had split into layers that no longer agreed. A security camera rotated slowly, not watching anything in particular, just performing motion without purpose. A man checked his phone 3 times in 10 seconds, still no connection, still no answer. The city continued behaving like everything was normal, but nothing matched anything anymore. When the signal breaks, nothing shakes, but everything still aches. Keep moving through the night, under fading light. When the signal breaks, no sound, just lost frequency all around. Keep walking through the dark, holding on to a spark. To notice how fragile coordination really is, how everything depends on invisible agreements, timetables, signals, expectations. Once those loosen, the city doesn't collapse, it just becomes unfamiliar, like a place you've lived your whole life suddenly speaking a different language. I kept walking anyway, because even broken systems still move forward, just less predictably. When the signal breaks, still flows through the places nobody knows. Keep moving through the strain, through the quiet rain. When the signal breaks, no end, just the paths it bends. Keep rolling through the dark, holding on to a spark. When the signal breaks, one last line between your world and mine. Keep going, don't explain. The signal comes again, gang, 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 gang. Static fades slowly, but never fully disappears. City lights glowing. Thousands of windows awake. From the highway over past the city, looked like a constellation built by human hands. Thousands of windows shining against the darkness, each one holding a different life, a different problem, a different dream. Somebody was eating dinner too late, somebody was working overtime, somebody was packing boxes before moving away, and somebody was sitting alone in silence, looking out at the same city I was looking at, wondering different questions under the same sky. I couldn't see their faces, only their lights, but somehow that felt enough. Behind the windows, still alive, every story trying to survive. Keep moving through the night, under electric light. Behind the windows, different lives, different roads and different drives. Keep walking through the dark, holding on to a spark. A television flickered blue in a high-rise apartment, the kitchen light I stayed on 3 floors below. A shadow crossed the curtain and disappeared. Tiny signals from people I'll never meet. A family gathered around a table somewhere. An artist worked alone somewhere. A nurse finally got home from a night shift somewhere. A child dreamed about tomorrow while tomorrow was already arriving for someone else. The city never tells you these stories directly. It only leaves clues. Behind the windows, still alive. Every story trying to survive. Keep moving through the night. Under electric light. Behind the windows, different lives. Different roads and different drives. Keep walking through the dark. Holding on to a spark. Longer than I planned, watching lights switch off one by one. Some people finding sleep, others just beginning their day. The city wasn't a collection of buildings, it was a collection of moments. Millions of them happening simultaneously, without permission, without coordination, without pause for a second. I felt connected to all of it. Not because I knew anyone, but because we were all moving through time together. Behind the windows, still shine. Through forgotten city lines. Keep moving through the strain, through the quiet rain. Behind the windows still remain. Through the losses and the gains. Keep rolling through the dark, holding on to a spark. Behind the windows, one last view, counting me and counting you. Keep going, don't explain. The lights come on again. Windows slowly fading. Reaches the skyline.